How much water is in the bottle? How much milk is in the glass? How much rice is in the bowl? How much money is in your wallet? How much butter is in the dish? How much rain was there yesterday? How much milk was in the fridge? How much butter was on the toast? How much salt will be in the food? How much rain will be there tomorrow? How much information will be available? How much milk will be in the glass? How much noise was there in the hall? How much sugar was in the tea? How much information is on the website? How much oil is in the bottle? How much salt is in the curry? How much juice is in the jug? How much sugar is in the jar?